we are to verify whether the given star operation for this item here is both associative and commutative. We have the star operation defined on Z as A star B equals AB over 2. Of course, we need to show the two ideas here or properties, the commutativity of associativity as required here. So we are going to pick elements on Z. So let us have let A, B, and C elements of our Z, which is a set of integers. We already used 3 because for associativity we need 3 different elements. So let's start with commutativity. We are going to show that A star B is just the same as B star A. And if we are able to establish that, we can say that our star operation here is a commutative operation or commutative binary operation more specifically. Now we know that for the left hand side, A star B, as given in our definition, this is actually, or let me put it here at the bottom, this is actually equal to AB over 2. This is its actual definition. So if we have B star A, okay, on the other side, take note that we started with the first element now is B, and then we have the second element being A. Therefore, this would be B A over 2, because we are going to follow the placement of the element on the definition of the star operation. However, since our numerator is, or the elements or the terms, coefficients found in our numerator are separated by multiplication, and the usual multiplication is commutative, we can rearrange it like this, AB over 2 without any problem. That would mean we have here AB over 2 equal to AB over 2. Our A star B is just the same as B star A. Okay, let me rewrite it better. Okay. B star A. This would mean that star is commutative, because no matter what is the arrangement of the elements, we will have the same result if we are dealing with the same two elements. Okay? So that's for commutativity. Now let's proceed to associativity. For associativity, we need the 3 elements as already emphasized earlier. We need to show that the grouping of A star B before star C is just the same as A star the grouping of B star C. If we could establish that the equation will hold, and that means the equation will hold using the same definition for our star operation, then the star is associative. Let's start with the first grouping, A star B star C. A star B will be A B over 2. Okay? But this is still to be subjected to another star operation, star C. This is actually treated now as one coefficient. That would mean this would be our new A and this would be our new B. So following the same definition, AB, so we're going to multiply that, AB over 2 times C here, all over 2. This is our A and that's our B on our definition given here. So with this, we will be using these spaces here. So we have here A, B, C over 2, all over 2. Because we are multiplying, this is C over 1. Multiply the national expressions carefully. Then of course, we can use here ABC over 2 times, you have, that's 2 over 1, so 1/2. Okay, that's the keep, change, flip method. Okay, therefore, the result here is A, B, C over 4. This is just for the first part. Okay, the first part being A star B before we use star C. Let me use the spaces here and let's find out if it's the same as A. Let me use color, different color here. Let's use if we have A star B star C, if we have the same results. Therefore, you have A star we operate B star C. Again, the definition is AB over 2. We multiply them. So BC over 2. And then we will be treating this as 1. Let's say that's a new B. Okay? We're going to treat it as 1. Therefore, we multiply them. A times BC over 2 all over 2. As the definition again tells us the product of A and B, then divide by 2. So with this, simply try to manipulate this one. Again, this is over 1. So you have ABC over 2 all over 2, which is actually ABC over 2 times 1/2. Again, because this is 2 over 1. In short, we'll have here ABC over 4. This is the result of A star, the grouping B star C. And if you're going to examine, we have the same result as earlier. We have shown here that A star B before star C is just the same as A star, the grouping symbol B star C. Okay? Because we have here ABC over 4 is equal to ABC over 4. With this in mind, we can say that star is also associative. In short, our star operation defined here on Z as A times or A star B is equal to AB over 2 is both commutative and associative. This is how we show commutativity and associativity of our star operation. Thank you very much for watching.